This video I'll be giving the measurements. So starting from the yoke on the front differential, it's a Spicer 47-138. That's the number that's on here. And then here we have 2910. I think that's the universal size. So like cars are usually, I think on the Thunderbird it's like 2310 or something like that. I don't remember, but it's I think it refers to U-joints have a universal size number identification, and I think that's it there, 2910. But just for us to be precise, let's see, we have, it's about 2 inches across on the diameter. The diameter of the actual head of the drive of the U-joint is 2 inches. I use the mic vernier dial here. Let's see. Kind of awkward doing this to one. It's actually 1 inch, or this is metric. Well, hang on. Can't really see, it's awkward. It's 2 inches, and then it's 7 and just over 7.5, 7 and inches. Let's see this. 7 5/8 in length. And the yoke there, the actual diameter is there 1 inch and just under 2 inches. So that's 1. Damn, I kind of forgot to read these things. 1 inch, 940 thousandths. I think that's it, but well, we don't really need this. It's just nominal size, probably 2 inches. Okay, so finally for the actual differential.